Hey everybody, welcome to another video on the 67 Mustang channel. So you've already seen, hopefully, the video that talks about the 2-year anniversary of the first start of this car after it sat in my parents' garage for 22 years. So I thought I'd do a quick photo montage. I'm not sure how quick it'll actually be, but a montage of the car from when I first started working on it to where we are now, before and after shots, and hopefully you'll enjoy that. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, there you go, guys. You've seen where we started from just 2 years ago to where we are now. I think we've made some really good progress on the car. Hope you've enjoyed watching the before and after and maybe take some inspiration from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you got any comments, suggestions, ideas, whatever it is, make sure you put them down there in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. We're up to almost 200 subscribers. I know in the grand scheme of YouTube, that's not a big deal, but to me, it's a pretty big deal. So for those that have subscribed, thank you so much. Also, please don't forget our new merch store, right? So you can get t-shirts, coffee mugs like this one here, and other things out there. And look for our new logo to be coming out soon. So with that, guys, look forward to seeing y'all in the next video.